Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I am going to be unboxing two new items that I received in the mail. One was actually a part of my Coach haul and I just got it last night, and so I couldn't do it with that video, and I actually forgot that I even ordered the piece, but it came in. So I'm going to be doing that in conjunction with this Gucci item that I purchased. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so I have the items right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up this first item, which is my Coach item, because it's the smallest item. Now some of you all will probably come for me in the comments over this piece because I bought the Louis Vuitton version of this and then I returned it because I wasn't really feeling it. Something about that brown interior I just didn't like. So let me get this out of the bag and you all will see what I bought. Then I'm gonna have to kind of explain this purchase, okay? So I have been looking at the Coach version for a while, and the one that I let get away I can't even find, and when I do see it on the market, it's a crazy price, and I was just like, I'm just gonna have to wait till Coach comes out with another option for it. So here it is in this, and you could probably already tell what this is. Yes. Yes, this is the Coach passport holder, okay? With the black interior. And when I realized that this had a black interior, I couldn't pass on it. As you all know, I just bought my new Coach duffel bag, and then I have some other accessories with this brown and black combination. And I'm absolutely in love over this brown and black combination. So it's just like the Louis Vuitton, where it has some card slots here where you can put like credit cards. It has your slot where you can put your passport, and then there's a slot back here as well where you can put some other items. And this just has tissue in it, and this feels so smooth, you guys. And actually, now that I'm reaching for this, this has two slots. So if I can get this paper off, this has two slots. There's one here in the front, and then there's another pocket behind here. So you have two compartments where you can put other items in there, as well as your passport on this side and credit card holders. Again, very comparable to the Louis Vuitton one. And so I like this a little bit better because it's not the brown on brown, and even though that Louis Vuitton one is supposed to have like that brown leather on the inside, I just don't like that brown on brown. It just seemed very boring to me. This seems very sleek, chic, and stylish. And I definitely wanted to get this piece to go with my duffel bag because I really do. I can see myself using that as a carry-on and using this as opposed to my Louis Vuitton one. I never carried my Louis Vuitton bag as a carry-on on an airplane. I just wouldn't. But my Coach one, I actually would because of I don't have the issue with the vachetta. So I could definitely see myself having the matching accessories. And I have quite a few Coach pieces in this signature brown canvas. This is my first item, and I'm glad that I snagged this up. This was $51, and I got like the last one because I kept putting it off and I kept saying no, I'm not gonna get it. And when they had one left, it actually went out of stock and came back, and they had one left, and I went on ahead and bought it. So glad that I got this to add to my collection. My next item is in this box right here, and this is my first actual purchase from Gucci. I have another Gucci bag that I bought off of eBay when eBay was doing their online store. It is an authentic bag. It's a black camera bag, and I've shown that bag in a couple of videos. I'm not going to get it out for this video, but because it's black, I don't really carry black purses that often, and when I do, I have my one Coach bag that I love to carry all the time, and then I have my Chanel small classic flap that I love to carry, which is ironically, I don't really like the bag, but I usually prefer when I want to go with the black bag, I'll carry my Coach one or my Chanel one. So I'm kind of settled on those two, so I feel like the Gucci one I really don't need or want, and so I'm going to be hopefully doing a vlog sale with that one included in it. But Here's my box from Gucci. Again, this is my first actual purchase from either the boutique or online. And I got this online. I just want to smell it. I know you all see people smell these items. And you probably don't. Maybe it's just me because I'm weird. But there it is. So let's get right into opening this cutie. Okay, here's the tote bag I've been seeing everyone get. It's cute. I'm not exactly really sure what the tote bag is for, but I'm glad that I have it. Maybe I can use it for groceries or something. It's packaged really well. It's my first Gucci unboxing, so I'm not sure what these items are. This is a gift card, like the little gift receipt that comes with your Gucci items. I'm assuming that this is the actual receipt. No, this is just like it's a QR code in case you want to return your item or something. I don't know. You got to take it to the store. I really don't know what this is. It's one of those, if you don't want to keep your item, here's what you do type of card. Okay, so put the box away. All right, so here we go. Says Gucci. It's in the dust bag. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, you guys, this is the Ophidia GG large cosmetic case, okay? I have seen so many videos on this purse and people turning this into a crossbody bag. And so I was looking at the actual crossbody bag that's like this, the one that already comes with the straps on it and everything. But I just didn't want to pay that price. I think they're like $1,500 and I had to go the affordable route. So this right here is the affordable route for me. So I was like, you know what, let me just do what everybody else is doing. Get this cosmetic case and turn this into a crossbody, which is what I plan on doing. Now, I do see like where you have to insert those little D-rings and things. I don't have those yet. I'm going to order those. And so once I get those, I will show you all kind of what I'm going to do with this. But this thing does have really good spacing. It is huge. It's a lot larger than I was thinking. And I know people have compared this to the Louis Vuitton GM cosmetic pouch. I do not have any of those pouches, but I do have my Coach one, which this one is comparable to the PM size. And you can kind of see the difference in those. I'm loving this one here, you guys. I'm so happy that I went on ahead and got this. And you see my little shirt is kind of inspired. It says Girl Gang. It's not a Gucci shirt, but it's kind of got that Gucci flavor to it. So I thought I would wear this for the video to complement this new Gucci cosmetic case that I got. And I wouldn't be opposed to carrying this as a little clutch under my arm or putting like a little wristlet here on the zipper to carry this as a wristlet. But this thing is a really nice size, and I'm gonna have to try to find my strap that I bought to go with this. And let me show you the shoes that I got to go with this little cutie right here. So I have the shoes right here in this dust bag. I don't know where the strappy is that I got, but these are my little slides. And these are not Gucci slides. These are just some slides that I found online on Amazon. And they have this red and green. I'm trying to fluff it out so that the little fluffies don't look crazy. But just some regular fluffy red and green slides that I found. And I do plan on wearing these with this right here. You can see how that looks really great together. And I have a red and green shoulder strap that I did have to go with this, but I can't find it in my office. So, but I'll put a picture of it up so that you all can kind of see how that's gonna look with this. And I know other people also have that same strap, because you can get it on Amazon to go with this cosmetic bag and to turn this into a purse. So I'm excited to have another Gucci piece in my collection and definitely pass the other one on, because I don't want that many black bags in my collection. I'm not a black bag kind of person. I would prefer to wear pops of color in my handbag to go with my outfits. And so excited to have this. Don't want to make this too long, and I will come back with a review once I've used this and once I put my D-rings on, and I'm excited to share this with you all. So alright, you guys, that is my video. Thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Alrighty, bye.